You are welcome. In this video, let us understand how to make the police complaint management system. We will show you this project in VB.NET, but still you can do this project in C#, Java, Android or in Python. So let us understand what are the prerequisites for this particular project. Now the first question is why this project? So here we're talking about this project basically for the students who are doing a computer science course, and they're supposed to do a project in their academic semester. So probably it may be third or fifth, so any semester. Okay, so in that case, the question is why you selected this project. So you need to figure out why you are interested in this project, and you have to find the answer for this. There are a number of projects we can do, but you need to figure out different directions, different scope, different applications. Therefore you have to select that you are interested in the police department, therefore you need to select this particular type of project, and you need to more enhance this, and then you need to ready with the answers why this project for the police department, how it will help the department to solve their problems. So the next question is what is the scope of the project? So when you talk about the scope of the project, where it's useful, who will going to use this project? So here if you talk about the department, police department, it's now everywhere it is there, every country, every state, every district, every taluk. So therefore the scope is very wide. So if you make a complete project, so therefore this project can be utilized in the government sector, particularly in the police department. And once this is through, then it can be used in other departments also by modifying it. Therefore the scope is very wide and widely acceptable. So once your course completed, once your graduation is over, and if you're looking for the job, the question is, do you have programming experience? That definitely these questions will be asked in any one or the other stage. And the more you have a practical experience, there's a good chance to get the good job. Therefore, keep practice, keep learn. What are the languages you know? Try to do some projects and make everything is ready. In the interview, you can able to demonstrate them. So nowadays interviews are totally different than the previous maybe 10 years back or 20 years back. So that time if you complete the graduation is enough, but now it's not like this. What experience you're having is very, very important. Therefore sit in home and then do more projects yourself, and then gain the knowledge of the language, and then you present it in the interviews. Therefore you definitely have the good chance to get the good job. Okay, so now let's come back to the project again, and here is the Visual Studio 2019, and we already designed this project. You can see that these are the forms. We have around 6, 9, 10, 15 forms actually. In order to make a project, at least sufficient number of forms, sufficient of work should be there here, and there are also some process actually. And what extra things you have done in this project, that is a question they'll ask you. So probably here you can see that we have option called the file upload and then download. You can able to upload the file related to the case, and you can able to download. This is the extra feature provided in this project, so you should gain some advantages. Right, so I'll run the project and I'll show you, like probably that time you have to see the complete design. So if you wish to do this project, write down the complete design, then you have to start the coding. And as I told already in our channel, we have videos to how to make the project. So day one only can't make the complete project, but you need to learn the step by step all the requirement, then you have to start the project. Right. So here, so before getting into the project, what you have to do is you need to prepare all your tables. So database design you need to do. So now to make the database design, so first you have to create all the tables. For example, you can see that simple table, case type. What are the different type of cases? For that we have two fields. One is a case type name, this is a varchar, and the details, then another varchar. For this there is a corresponding form here, case type and the details, and here is a grid view. So here we want to show all the data, what are the entries already done, that we want to show it here. And here are the buttons. Even you can change the background color of buttons very easily. So select the button and then go to back color. So what color you want to apply, you can always apply for this. So you can put the colors. So anyhow, first you need to design the project and see everything is working fine. So later redesign the whole project will not take too much of time. So because designing is very easy. Now, fine. So same employee detail. So this is the employee table, and then this is the fee collection table, and this is the case detail table. Staff members to allocate the case. So this is the case number and who are the members working for the particular case. This is the allocation actually. Next is the station table. So where are the stations, and the file upload and download. For this is the file detail table. So these are the tables. So all this you need to create in a SQL server. So we already created. I'll just connect to this and I'll show you like the database. So bin debug and complaint data.mdf. Right. So you can see that if you expand this, if you expand tables, you can see all the tables here. These are the tables which you are going to use in the project. Right. So here is employee table. All the fields are employee table. So you want to view the data, right click and then show table data. You can able to see the data. What data is already there in the employee table. First let us look at the demonstration. So this is the design actually. So anyway, first you need to design, then you have to make the project. So this what I'm showing is it just itself is a design. First you have welcome screen, then you have a login form. So in login form, two fields are required. So one is a user ID and another is a password. This you should cross verify in the table, and if data is available, you should take to the MDI form. So this is the MDI form. Here you can see that case type. What are the different types of cases? One is theft is already entered. To enter one more, so you have to click new and then enter the data and then you have to save. So next one is the station details. Which are the stations? So all the police stations you need to enter it over there. So therefore you need to enter the police station details over there here. So here data is already entered, so we can modify it. Next one is the qualification and designations for the staff members. I'll just straight away go. Once the entries you are done over there, so it will come here, it will reflect over here. So therefore you can easily choose the one. So we already entered some employees here. To enter new one, you click new, enter all the details and then you have to save. So check out like how many fields are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is the staff member. So there are 10 fields are there. So here you can see that employee table. So again there must be 10 fields here also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So all the 10. So when you're sending this data, each field data should go to the corresponding field. Here is the important thing, case entry. So for a new case, you have to click new button here and you have to enter the details over there. So here is a case number KA1002. So party name, so let's say some Ravi, and then you can have address here. Right, what is the case type? So here is a theft. So what is happened? Parse is okay, first theft. Okay. Close. Then case is registered now. So when you go to file upload, so something relevant to this case, we can upload the pictures. Case 002 file name, browse. So here I'll take to D drive. I have some pictures here. Okay, I'll have a file here. Okay, so here is a picture. So that is a picture, and what is the picture is a picture type. So we can see the person in the picture. Right, so based on that, so police has to identify who is that. So case top person, for this particular case, who are all the members has to work. So this is the case, and here is the inspector, and here is the one police person, and here is the another police person. So 3 people has to solve the case. So next is a search case. So if you go to the details of this particular case, we can able to see here. You can see that here, and what is the files are there. This file you can able to download now. So file copied. So now if you say it's a total network, so you'll come to your local folder, documents, and you can see that 02 theft. And if you open this page, the picture will be there. Okay, so you can see the person who stealing some purse. So this is the logic actually. So technically what it is, so we can able to upload the files and you can able to download the file. That is the feature is provided over there here. And based on this, we have a reports here, staff list, who are all the people working here. Then we have a case list, what are the cases. Then one more is station list, what are the stations we have already entered there. So these are the features which are included in this project. So hope you understand the concept, and now you can able to write this project your own. So please try this and let me know what you're thinking about it. So if you have any doubts, please write it in the comment box. Let me know that. Thank you.